Welcome to infyGyan, my dear friends. Here's a radical equation where the obvious step, which is squaring of the equation, is actually the worst step. If you will square this equation, you will make this problem much harder by getting degree 4 equation. But there is a clever approach that solves this equation in few seconds. Now I want you to pause the video right now and try this equation by yourself first. Now given that x belongs to real numbers, so two things are very clear. Our radicand must be non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. Our LHS must be non-negative, greater than or equal to 0. So we can write here two inequalities, x square plus x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0, and from right hand side 5x square plus 3x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Now we will try to factorize our LHS. If we can, then we can think about splitting of middle term plus 1x can be written as minus x plus 2x. Minus 2 greater than or equal to 0, and here 5x square plus 3x can be written as 5x minus 2x. Then we have minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Now from first two terms we'll take x common, from last two terms we'll take 2 common. We can write x times x minus 1 plus 2 times x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. And here we will take 5x common from first two terms. So we'll get x plus 1 in the bracket. Minus 2 common from next two terms. We'll get x plus 1 once again greater than or equal to 0. Now our factorization is almost done. We will write x minus 1 times x plus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Here we will write x plus 1 times 5x minus 2 should be non-negative. Now we have two inequalities and we will solve. We can write here x should be either less than or equal to minus 2 or x should be greater than or equal to 1 from our first inequality. And from our second inequality, we can write x should be less than or equal to minus 1 or x should be greater than or equal to 2 over 5. So we have two conditions from LHS and RHS. We'll take intersection of these two and we will get easily either x should be less than equal to minus 2 or x must be greater than or equal to 1. Then only we are going to get real solutions from our equation. Now we are going to square both sides. And we won't square only. Let me write equation x square plus x minus 2 equal to square root of 5x square plus 3x minus 2. Now we'll be squaring both sides. So square root and square will be cancelled out from RHS. We will get x square plus x minus 2 whole square in left hand side. And we will write 5x square plus 3x minus 2 in left hand side. Now we'll be using algebraic manipulation step and we are going to subtract 2x whole square from both the sides. Minus 2x whole square, which is minus 4x square. Now in LHS, we have a square minus b square form. So if I will write here a square minus b square, this is equal to a plus b times a minus b. We will be using this formula in our left hand side. So we will get x square plus x minus 2 plus 2x in first bracket, and in second bracket we'll write x square plus x minus 2 minus 2x, and in RHS we'll write 5x square plus 3x minus 2 minus 4x square. So from our first bracket we will get here x square plus 3x minus 2. From second bracket we will simplify and write x square minus x minus 2. From right hand side, 5x square minus 4x square is x square. Then we will write plus 3x minus 2, which is available here. We will take all the terms to LHS and write x square plus 3x minus 2 times x square minus x minus 2 minus x square plus 3x minus 2. This is equal to 0. Now we will take x square plus 3x minus 2 common. So in other bracket we can write x square minus x minus 2 minus 1 equal to 0, or we will get factorization x square plus 3x minus 2 times x square minus x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we'll use product 0 rule. We will write either x square plus 3x minus 2 will be equal to 0, or x square minus x minus 3 will be equal to 0. Now both equations are quadratic. We can use quadratic formula. So we will write here a value equal to 1, b value equal to 3, c value equal to negative 2. Here we will write a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 3. And we are going to use formula x equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. Now we will solve first quadratic equation using quadratic formula minus 3 plus minus square root of b square will be 3 square, I am writing 9, minus 4 times 1 times minus 2, which is plus 8, over 2 times 1, so we can write 2. Here we will be writing x equal to minus of minus 1 plus minus square root of b square is minus 1 square, we will write 1, minus 4 times 1 times minus 3, we will write plus 12, over 2 times 1 is 2, which will give us x equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 17 over 2. And here we will be writing x equal to 1 plus minus square root 13 over 2. So we have 4 solutions. Now we will check as per our domain. So I am writing here x1 will be equal to minus 3 plus square root 17 over 2. I am writing x2 minus 3 minus square root 17 over 2. I will write x3 will be equal to 1 plus square root 13 over 2. And we will write x4 1 minus square root 13 over 2. Let's find approximate values of x1, x2, x3 and x4. So we will write here x1 must be somewhere 0.55. x2 will be approximately minus 3.6. x3 will be 2.3 approximately. And x4 will be minus 1.3. Now if we will check x1 only, it is 0.55, which is less than 1. Let me write here our domain condition. X should be less than or equal to minus 2, or x should be greater than or equal to 1. So 0.55 is less than 1. So we have to reject x1. Now if we will check minus 1.3, then this is greater than minus 2. As per our condition, it should be less than or equal to minus 2. So we are going to reject x4 also. x2 and x3 are accepted values. So we will write our answer. X will be equal to minus 3 minus square root 17 over 2. Our first solution. And second real solution would be 1 plus square root 13 over 2. So we have two real solutions for our radical equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.